What's going on, YouTube? Finally got the big three in, got the big three installed. And I'll tell you what, it's like a whole new machine again. Okay? From stock to now is night and day. It is angry. Okay, it really woke up. So let me go over what I got here. This is what I was waiting for. Because I had that stock exhaust down there. Oh, look at that. That's the Rossier R4 Rebel. Okay. Beautiful. Look at that. All installed. Perfect. Man, did it wake it up. I mean, my daughter's like, the house was shaking, Dad. Okay? I mean, that really makes me happy. Okay, love that. Then the Fuel Customs finally showed up. Okay, now that wasn't the easiest thing to install, only because, you know, back in there it's really tight. But I got it in there nice and secure, and I opted for the airbox version. Okay, because, you know, I live here in Ohio, and it's muddy, so got to have some shielding. I went out one time, okay, in our national forest, and there's some sections that are pretty muddy. And when I got home, it was dry as a bone. Okay, so that's good. So you get all the benefits of no lid with the big K&N, but no mud going in there, no water, no nothing. So that's great. That from stock, man, big difference, big difference. And down here, let's see, I got this full frame skid plate. Okay, from a nice company called Peak Racing. They're on Facebook Marketplace there. Nice kid sells these. I think he did a really great job. Mounts like a glove. Okay, give you all the protection. Protect the frame up. Okay, so that's real nice. Like that. And then I know some people are going to ask on the Vortex. Okay. Now, I know in my first video I said I was going to start at map 1, settings 555. But I ended up at map 7, settings 777. All right, so it just needed a little bit more fuel. Okay, map 7 is doing a pretty good job at the moment, but we're still gonna try the other ones and just see what we can do. Okay. And then, oh, look at that end cap. Isn't that nice? Look at that. That is some high quality there. Really nice. Very impressed with that one. I'll tell you what, it sounds awesome. I mean, it does shake the house. Now, I mean, I'll put a sound clip at the end of this video, but it's not going to do it justice. The microphones on these phones, it don't pick it up for what you hear in real time. Okay. Oh, look at those. I could not resist. Okay. Always wanted these. Those are the Hypertech carbon fiber rims. Very light, very strong. Loving those. Got them on the whole shots, the ITPs, the HDs. I love the HDs. You know, they cost a little bit more, but they last a long time. Okay. So look at that. Oh my. It's turning out nice. I'm very, very happy. It's turning out beautiful. Oh, not as beautiful as you, baby, but beautiful nonetheless. So, it's the middle of winter here now, December in Ohio. Not going to be doing much riding, unfortunately, around here, but in the end of February, I'm going to be going to Glamis, California to rip the sand dunes with all my buddies. And there will be the true test of all these upgrades I've done. I'm going to get some good footage, and then I'm going to post another video then to actually show what all this time, what all this money actually got me. All right? So it's all got to pay off in the end. So be looking forward to that one, huh? All right, YouTube. I really appreciate you watching. That gorgeous? Yeah. Thanks again. We'll see you next time. Bye. Oh my God.